Hey. Hi guys, I am gonna do a hair tutorial with a braid and a bun. So I just got out of the shower. I always have to shower in the morning. I need to have wet hair, and I use my leave-in conditioner and then comb it out. So I got it all combed out, and I'm gonna start the way I do, make it all smooth back. And then I'm gonna make a square on the top of my head. Take a square here. Okay, Anna goes back a little ways. It's not just right in the front right here. It goes back, so I have some kind of like a big chunk of hair to work with. And I take the rest, pull it back with my standard comb, and I get it all back into smooth ponytail. I got this big old fat rubber band that I use. I comb my hair back out. Okay, now I'm gonna take like what feels like a triangle of hair on the back of that square. Not up here, back here. I always start with the outside braid. Now I don't know what kind of braid this is, but I'm only pulling from one side. So I'm only pulling from the front side, and it's keeping the braid in the back. The braid's never in the front. And I just keep pulling from one side. And I get toward the end, and I just pull the rest up. Now here's the other trick, is I'm not leaving it tight on this side. You can see there's like a lot of give. And I don't have to braid it all the way down. I just braid it back to where I know it's gonna reach. Behind here, I don't know what's going on because I can't see. So what I do is I take my finger and I scoop anything forward so it doesn't stick out. And then loosely set it. Second rubber band. And I put my braid with the rest of my hair. So I'm going to just take out whatever part of the braid was in there and start twisting it. The water is what keeps all the flyaways in. I got it twisted. Now I'm going to do my bun. And however you do your bun. And then I put the hair flush. Just start pinning it. I'm just using regular old bobby pins. And I don't put the pokey side down because it hurts my head really bad. Pantene extra strong hold. Spray it up. Then you smooth it back. You have two options with this part. If you like that, you could just leave that. I pull my flyaways down. And then, see, I get like these little things. So I just comb that. It takes away that little bumpy part, but it leaves a braid. And then I use these clips to hold my flyaways up. And then here's how it looks. And thanks for watching.